Now, the Galaxy A27 5G does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack or socket, and that means without an adapter, you cannot use your wired headphones. But if you really want to use your wired headphones with a 3.5mm headphone jack, you can, but you have to get an adapter like this. So this is a Type-C to 3.5mm headphone socket adapter. So you simply connect your headphones to the adapter via the 3.5mm, and then connect via Type-C to the phone. And if you have a good compatible, and most of them are compatible really, pair of headphones or earbuds, you can use your wired earbuds on this phone. Now, if you want to use and charge at the same time, obviously you can't do that with this particular adapter, but there's an adapter you can use. So this one is also a Type-C adapter, which goes into the Type-C port of your phone. But this one has a Type-C pass-through for charging, and also it has the 3.5mm for connecting your headphones. So you can actually charge and use your headphones at the same time. I'm going to link these two in the description below so you can check them out on Amazon. And all the best. Thanks for watching and good luck.